And welcome tonight. We're going to take a nice, wonderful tour of what you can do at Universal's Cabana Bay during a cold winter's night in Florida. Come on in, you guys, and let's have some fun. Concoction at the Swizzle Bar. And one of the better and actually greatest Universal stores on the side. It's an understatement. With these temperatures, the pool will not be opened. Yeah, these are where the Atomic Lounge is, in between both buildings. And the malt shop. Sadly, the fire pits are out of commission.
Out of the room, please. When you're used to 100-degree weather. Ooh. Oh my god. My face
down
is
into the 40s and 50s.
My face is cold.
Ay, Dios mío.
But you're from the Midwest, though. You should be used to this.
Not anymore.
I'm loving this.
Not for about 22 years, so I'm really nice. Ay, Dios mío.
Oh my god, my fingers are numb.
All right, so let's go upstairs. We're gonna hit the Galaxy Bowling Alley and hit the arcade before we call it a night. And an overhead view of the Bayline Diner. One of the best places to eat in all the hotels. Well, in my opinion, though. And the Fun in the Sun Rec Center, last year's site for the Chucky's Twisted Playground. Right now, I wonder what's going to happen and what's going to come for Horror Nights of this year. And what hotel that you know of has its own bowling alley? Bit of a wait, but it's a full-fledged bowling alley at the Galaxy Bowl. And the Game-O-Rama game room. Let's have some fun.
Rest is long. Unfortunately, the fire pits are all broken, not working. So we're just gonna go back and chill. We just wanted to show you guys the fun stuff you can do here if you decide to stay.
There's a lot you can do.
The best out of, my opinion, is the best out of, and the summer dockside.
There's a lot you can do here. I mean, you don't even have to leave your room. I mean,
You don't even have to
there's
leave
so much to
at
do
all.
here.
Yeah.
You guys, see you guys next time.
Bye.